Good morning students, welcome to this video. Previous class we will discuss about that new lessons, getting to know plants. Just to remember one second, what are the parts of the plants? Just to remember one second, what are the parts of your plants? First, the root and stems, leaves, buds, flower and fruits. So these are parts of your flower. So now we are going to see about the next subtopic, the stem. So the stem is a very important part of your plants. The stem is a very important part of your plants. It bears leaves, buds, flower, fruits and etc. The stems is bears. Stems, it's bear, leaves, buds, flower and fruits etc. Next, the stem contains water and dissolved mineral from the root to leaves and other parts. The stem contact. Contact means nothing but the carrying from place to place. The contact means nothing but the carrying. Okay, the contact means nothing but is the carrying. The stems carry. What the stems carry? Water and dissolved mineral from root. That is very important. Dissolved mineral from the root to leaves and other parts. First, the root absorbs that water and minerals. Already that water and minerals where they reach. They reach the stem. The stem contains water and dissolved minerals from root to leaves and other parts. The stem also contains prepared food from leaves to root and other parts. The stems also contain prepared food from leaves. The leaves only can prepare the food. So the stems it can prepare. Okay. The stem also contain prepared food from leaves to root and other parts. An example, some of the stems is modified. For example, ginger, onion and potato. So these are the example of the stem vegetables. Ginger, onion and potato. So this is one small explanation about the stem. Okay. So the stem is pure leaves, buds, flower and fruit etc. The stems contain water to dissolve minerals from root to leaves and other parts. So the root is always absorb the water and minerals from the soil. Then that water and minerals where they reach the stems. So the stems is always carrying that water and minerals, and water and minerals it can reach the whole parts of the plants. And stems also contains prepared food from leaves to root and other parts. For example, ginger, onion and potato. So this is one of the small explanation about the stems. Okay. And next one. The next one, that activity 2. The next one, that activity 2. So, this activity, there some of the materials is required for this activity. What are the materials required for this activity? The first one, glass. And take some water and one herb plant and red ink and one blade. So these are the materials required for this activity. Okay, I told one word, the stems carrying water and minerals from the root, and it can carry the all parts of the plant. So this is one of the activity. You know how you do this activity. You know the first one. First, take one glass. Okay. First, what you do? Take one glass and pour the water. Okay, and pour the water 1/3 of the glass. Take one glass and pour the water. 1/3 of water you fill the glass. Next one, what you do? The few drops of red ink added in glass. Okay, next to what you do? The few drops. Okay, next to what you do? The few drops of red ink. Okay, the few drops of red ink added in glass. Okay, added in glass. Okay. Next, take one herbs. Take one herbs and cut the base of the stem. Take one herbs and blade. Cut the base of the stem of the herbs. Now what I do? Cut the root. Okay, now cut the root. Now I have the stem. Okay, now I have one stem plant. Next one, the put in the glass as shown. Okay, next what you do? Already I put some drops of red ink in glass. You know, next what you do? You put these herbs in glass. Okay, the herbs in glass. Okay. Next, what you do? Keep it in one place. When you observe that next day. When you observe that next day. Observe that next day. Have you understood? Observe that next day. So, end of this activity, what do you observe? So, what do you observe in next day? Did you see any red color pigment it can transfer in whole parts of the body? If you yes means, what is the main reason? If yes means, what is the main reason? Already told, you know, the stems contain water and dissolved minerals. Is very important. You know, the stem, you know, the stem contain water and dissolved minerals. Water and dissolved minerals from the root in to the leaves. Okay, so you observe the next day. Did you see any red color pigment? Its presence on the whole parts of the leaves? Yes. So the red color, you know, the red color it can present in the whole parts of the plants. You know, end of this activity, what you know? So from this activity, you know that water moves up to the stem. Water, it moves. The water, this water, it can move after the stem. And just like the red ink, you know, the red ink and minerals dissolved in water also move up to the stem along with the water. You know, so water and minerals and red ink also dissolved in water. All the water and minerals it can dissolve in water. The stems it carry the water and dissolved minerals. So next day we see that herbs definitely from the red color pigment or red color is present in the whole parts of the plant. The whole parts of the herbs. Okay, the water and minerals also to get leaves and other parts of plants attached to the stems. Water and minerals go to leaves. So water and minerals go to leaves and other parts attached to the stems. You know, other part means what? Leaves, you know, and buds and fruits and flower. Okay, so now what you know this activity? the water and minerals it can carry through the stem. How is it possible? So inside the stem, some the tube-like structure is present inside the stem. You know, how is it possible that stems? You know, the inside the stem, some the narrow tube-like structure is present inside the stem. So that's why, okay, so that stems is always carrying the water and minerals from the root. So this is one of the activity. Okay, and next one small activity, and take the 2 glass. Okay, take the 2 glass. Okay, so first take one herbs. Okay, first take one herbs. The herb plants with the white flower. Okay, take one the herbs plants and with the white flower. Take one herbs plant and along with the white flower. Okay, and take one glass Okay, take one glass. You put some few drops of red ink. Okay, next to what you do, take one glass and put some drop of red ink. Drop of red ink. Now what you do, you put the herbs along with white flower. You keep on the one glass. You put the A symbol. Have you understood? She put the branch with a white flower in the water in glass A, added a few drops of red ink. Okay, think but take one glass. Okay, refill the water and you added that red ink and you put one herbs with the white flower. Okay, you put letter A. Have you understood? And next one the fun. Okay, the take another 2 glass and take another 2 glass and take another 2 glass and take another 2 glass. Okay, take another 2 glass. The same. Okay, you fill the water. Okay, what you do? You fill the water in 1/3 of water. You fill it. 1/3 of water. You fill it. Okay, you put the B and C and you put the herbs along with the white color flower. Okay, next you put the B and C. In glass B, in glass B you add some red ink. In class C, you add some blue ink. Glass B, you put 1 drop of red ink, and glass C, you add 1 drop of blue ink. And glass B and C, the glass B and C flower are joined. Okay, the glass B, glass B and C flower joined. The flower is joined. So 2 flowers is joined. Okay, 2 flowers is joined. The B and C, the glass B and C, they will put the 2 herbs along with white flower, and glass B and C, the flower is joined. Okay, so what you know this end of this activity? So when you had cut the stems in the activity 2, so activity 2, what you know? The stems is always carrying or conducting the water and minerals from the root. Okay, so this activity, a number of spot of red color arranged in that ring inside the stem. Okay, so did you observe that glass A? Okay, do you observe that glass A? So what you observe? Definitely the Retting, ring-like structure of retting, the ring-like structure, the ring-like structure of is a retting. It can present on the stem. It can present on the stem regions because the stems is carrying the water and minerals or dissolved because some substance is dissolved with water. So the stems is carrying the water and minerals from the root. Then only it can water and minerals it can reach in whole parts of the plants. Okay, and next one, just explain that next you observe this B and C. Definitely you can't find it easily because we are joined two flower. Okay, so the glass gave only the red color, the redding, the ring-like structure, it can present inside the stem, the page number 55C, the figure, the A and B, so the red color, because the red colored substance is present inside the stem regions, okay? So whenever you free, just you try to do these kinds of activity. Okay, thank you.